Welcome back to the second installment of Can AI Find Your Website? If you missed the first video, I'll drop a link below. In that video, we took a look at my website and scanned it with the new Framer tool. I'll drop a link for that below as well. And we found that I was missing a big chunk of quotability. So we made a small improvement with my FAQ style content, but my content freshness signals was 0 out of 11. And I was puzzled. And a lot of you wrote in the comments who have Squarespace websites as well. And we're like, I also have 0 out of 11. Well, a huge shout out to my friend Caitlin Deacle, who is also on Squarespace and who scored an 11 out of 11 and gave me a few tips for things I could try that were different on our two websites. So today we're going to try what I think is our best bet for getting this freshness signal to 11. Okay, so I want to recap the things that I tried that did not work to get the freshness signals up on this AEO scanner. I added the full date here. Well, I turned on the date on my blog post, which gave me April 22nd. I added code that would give me the full date, April 22nd, 2026. I went ahead and I added a last modified date that showed as well. All that's in the sitemap anyway, but it did not move the needle. And then I came back to a question somebody asked me earlier today. They said, well, is it only looking at the homepage? And I was like, I don't think so, because it's looking at external links and I'm linking to things from my blog posts. But I think it might just be looking at the homepage because I do have external links to Squarespace and to a tip jar. These are in the footer, but maybe it's actually looking at the footer. I don't know. It says it's not. Maybe it is. At any rate, what I'm going to do now is come in and add dates to this summary block so that I have dates of some kind on my homepage. Simple as that. Add some dates to the summary block. See, this was April 22nd, April 1st, March 30th, March 9th, January. Had a few this year. Now let's scan the site again and see if this is what it was. Did it need dates on the page, on the homepage? All right, we're scanning. Fingers crossed, y'all. This is the only other thing I could think of that might work. Yes, we did it. We did it. All right. So if you are using a summary block for your blog posts on your homepage, and you should be, if you have a blog and a website on Squarespace, add the date. That is all it took. That's all it took. All right. I feel like we're winning. So let me know, did this work for you? What is your overall AEO score? Did you get it up to 100? Okay. This does beg the question, why is it just crawling your homepage? Surely AI tools are crawling all your pages. How accurate is this? I don't know. But as somebody who is a really big fan of getting 100s and gold stars, I'm still pretty excited about it. So celebrate with me in the comments if you are also improving your score. I would love to know what moved the needle for you. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.